A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. Mamuka sei, mamuka sei, mamuka sei kumativi mana enyika. Kwese kwamuri. My name is Ronald Wekwa Makusha. And this morning we need to take a look on important matters. Right now, today, I'm at home and my network is always bad. But I'm trying to make sure that we talk about important matters. Let us talk about a bunch of people who were close to Nelson Chamisa who have been exposed. We have Charlton Wende. Charlton Wende was severely exposed, and he started to tweet saying that Arana Nelson Chamisa for 2 hours in Dakata and Vodzoka. And he went on to say Nelson Chamisa is the best foot forward in this struggle. What it means is they've realized that without Nelson Chamisa, they are nothing. Why? It's because the political temperatures will always show them otherwise. They thought Nelson Chamisa apera only to see kuti haasati atombotanga. So Carston Mateo, who lasted for only 6 hours as the deputy spokesperson of the Triple C, is also another person apindana nenjada iyoyo, and we need to take a look on what he said right here. It's something very important. So Mkoma Brian Rupia had asked a very important question. He said, Hanzi, this was honorable. Ipapo territories. Mvunzo yangu inoti, who appointed you Triple C deputy spokes for 6 hours? Who edited your bio to Triple C deputy spokesperson? In response, Mateo said, I'm not deputy spokes, and I reiterated that I was mentioned mischievously. A friend did that holding my phone out of fun, and I quickly corrected. This is what he said. For 6 hours, Carston Mateo was the deputy spokesperson, and he edited his own phone. Akutanga utanzi, a friend did that for me. And I find people like Mateo not honest at all, because the facts are clear. There was a letter which was issued, and 3 people were on that letter. Mateo was the deputy spokesperson. And if you go on to his Twitter handle, his bio was also changed. The major question is, who wrote that letter? And how did that person have access to the phone? Okay, if it was a friend, how come you are not disassociating yourself with that friend? Why are you not mentioning that friend? Why are you not shaming that friend? These are serious matters. Team Zimbabwe dzenyika. Tutaura nezvefuture yevamwe vanhu panapa. Tutaura about vana Pastor Masaya vakafa. Tutaura about vana Tinashe Chitsungi vakafa. Tutaura about vana Mo Blessing Ali. Tutaura about vana Mboneni Ncube. We are talking about Vanandira. We are talking about a lot of people who died because of this struggle. We are talking about what is at stake. We are talking about the 2023 electoral fraud. And an honorable MP tells us, Kutanzi, Onyangu, my friend mischievously changed. What is that? What kind of friend is that? Why are you behaving like that? So to yesterday, makanga mchimhanya, mchiti Nelson Chamisa apera, yobva mamhanya kuita zvinhu zvenyu, action dzenyu. Now, you have seen kuti marowa counter attack. Maakuchidzoka manje, maakuchitanga kuita minana yamaakutiitira. Honestly, Team Zimbabwe, this is bad. This is the reason why we are where we are. It's because of people like Carston Mateo. It's because of people like Vana Wende. I want to tell you this. These people, they will always threaten you with legal action if you speak against them. I know them. I know Carston personally. He will threaten you with legal action if you speak against him. There are allegations that Vana Mateo, they removed some people vakanga vabuda kubereka mwana kumarondera. They manipulated the systems. I know about these issues. Carston must grow up. He must grow up. So you'd see kuti honestly, Team Zimbabwe, vanhu ava ndo zvavari, they will never own up. That is the reason why President Nelson Chamisa said, I'm leaving Triple C and I'll never come back. Why? It's because people. It's because of people like Vana Caston, people like Vana Wende. That is the reason why they will never ever resign from parliament. That is the reason why they will go and say, we are consulting with the people. What kind of people are you consulting? Because we have never seen you coming to consult. You just pick a few people, 10 people, 30 people from your cycles. We are doing a consultation. What kind of consultation is that? The people of Zimbabwe want change. The people of Zimbabwe are demanding change. Go to the WhatsApp groups. The people of Zimbabwe are clear. They want Nelson Chamisa. The people of Zimbabwe are clear. They want change to happen in Zimbabwe. And they don't want to be associated with ZANU-PF. But we have people who are going to a parliament which has been captured, hijacked, and which is 100% controlled by ZANU-PF. There is nothing you are going to pass in parliament. There is nothing you are going to change in parliament. There is nothing you are going to effect in parliament except taking allowances, motor, what else? This is what they stand for. So Team Zimbabwe, this is the beginning. Advocate Nelson Chamisa is a strategist. He is not somebody you just play with or you joke with. He's not that man. So I hope and believe that these men will soon realize that the people of Zimbabwe are tired, that the people of Zimbabwe really want change, that the people of Zimbabwe are not punching bags. You cannot continue to mistreat us. You cannot continue to do this to us. We have suffered enough, Team Zimbabwe. We have suffered enough. Yet we have people who come to become career politicians. We have people who can't even sacrifice anything. They have never sacrificed. So if you take a look on Caston, that is the rally which Tendai Biti attended. Why? It's because they were friends. Vese nana mafume. Vese vakamhanya kuenda kumarondero. These are people who have been working together. Personally, I don't care about lawsuits. Personally, I don't even fear. I will tell it as it is. I will tell it as it is. So, Team Zimbabwe, it's time for us to reflect. It's time for us to unite and know that these people are sellouts. Everybody who is talking about unity right now, that person is a sellout. Go to each and every person who is talking about unity. That person is a sellout. How do you unite with a sellout? How do you unite with an anaconda? How do you unite with a black mamba? Just imagine, you find a black mamba in your home and you're told, sit down, let us negotiate. Negotiating with a black mamba. Guys, it won't happen. These people are ruthless. These are people who sold the struggle in 2023. And the same people, they will come and say, okay, let us unite. We are stronger together. That is nonsense. It's better for us to know that we are few than to be many with useless people, with sellouts. It's better to be few and effective than many and ineffective and infiltrated. It is something, Team Zimbabwe, we faced a lot of persecution, especially those who were contesting in the rural areas. Some lost. They lost in the rural area. But nobody cares about them. You'll be told, ye takarasa mari takakambena. Mutauni chamai kambena chinoshamisira chii kutauni. Kutauni makahwina mchishandisa zita raChamisa, hapana kambeni yamakaita inoshamisira. Kutauni chero maiva musina kuita kana rally kana one. Iwosa MP kana wangosina kuita kana rally kana one kana campaign kana one. Maivoterwa because of Nelson Chamisa. The name Nelson Chamisa made you win. And today, these are the people who are telling us nonsense. We talked and said, guys, can you help fund the rural areas? They refused because these people were working with the ZANU-PF. That is the reason why they refused to take all the resources and fund the rural areas. That is a fact. So Team Zimbabwe, it's said that we are going through this, but I hope and believe that we are going to win. This is a clear indication and a clear sign that these people are failing. They have failed. And they are now trying to disassociate with their fellow colleagues. Are they going to win? I doubt. Why? It's because the people of Zimbabwe know what is happening. Will President Nelson Chamisa work with them? I doubt.